Welcome to Yoga Practice for Beginners. This morning yoga practice will focus on giving you the opportunity to connect you to your breaths through a movement of your body, which will release tension, stiffness, and help you bring calmness to your mind. Stay present, enjoy every moment, be kind to your body, mind, and soul, and with each breath, welcome gratitude with this new beautiful day ahead. Alright, friends, let's begin today seated at the back of your mat. Bring your hands over to your heart, close your eyes, take deep breaths, deep inhale, deep exhale. Taking this opportunity to settling in your body and mind, welcoming this beautiful day ahead. Begin with a few moments of mindfulness. Just check in with your breaths. Notice your breaths. Check in with the quality of your mind and your emotions. Establishing a gentle and mindfulness connection to begin your practice. Then from here, we are gonna bring ourselves over to our hands and knees on the mat, starting with cat-cow pose. Inhale, rounding the spine, tuck the chin in. Exhale, arch the back, look right up. Inhale, round the back. Exhale, arch the back. Then from here, take your body into the child's pose. Place your head down, nice and easy. Steady breaths. Just feel your back muscles relaxing. No fight, no force. Just relax. Then let's walk your both arms a little forward, forehead touching the ground. Relax your chest and shoulders, nice and easy. Steady breathing. If you are comfortable here, let's walk your hands a bit further. Rest your chin on the ground and relax. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Now bring back your arms and come back to the downward dog pose. Stay here for 5 breaths. Take a moment to appreciate this moment. From here, step your right foot forward, opening into your low lunge. Raise your both arms up, and if you are comfortable here, extend your arms a little deeper. Hold it here for a few breaths. Then come back to the center. Then place your arms on the ground, lift the back knee up, come to the Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, come to the downward dog position. Take few breaths here. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Just focus on the breathing. Now step your left foot forward. Place the back knee on the mat, raise your arms up. If you are comfortable here, go back a little deeper, hold it for a few breaths here, then come back to the center. Steady breathing. Then place your arms on the ground, lift the back knee up, come back to the Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Then step back into downward facing dog. Take deep breaths here. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Just focus on the breathing. No fight, no force. Just calm and economist mind. Now step the right foot forward, planting the leg gently down. Inhale, Raise your arm, hold it for a few seconds here, and if it's comfortable for you, go back little deeper, then come back to the center. Drop your hands gently down. Now hook your right forearm on your right thigh and extend the left arm over. Navel in, nice and easy breathing. Now take your right hand to the ground to go a little deeper. Steady breathing. Now sweep the arms down, straighten the leg, turn it in, warrior one. Then come back to the plank pose, followed by Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, come to the downward dog position. Take few breaths here. Now repeat the same movements on the left side. Step the left foot forward, square the pelvis, warrior one. Then raise your arms up, and if you're comfortable here, go back little deeper. Then come back to the center, drop the arms down, then hook your left forearm on your left thigh and extend the right arm over. Navel in, nice and easy breathing. Now place your left arm on the ground to go deeper. Take few breaths here. Then sweep the arms down, straighten the leg, warrior one. Then come back to plank pose. Then Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward dog. Take 5 breaths here. Nice and steady breathing. Calm and economist mind. And if you like, walk over your downward facing dog. Feel free to add any movements into your shoulder or upper body. Just do whatever feels good. On your next inhale, let's reach your right leg up to the sky. Keep your hips square and just pump the leg up few times. Then bend your knee and open the hips. Then stack your hips on the top of each other. Then bring up the knee towards your chest, touch it to the floor and pump it up few times to stimulate your core. Then from here, drop the knee down, lift the back leg, then tuck the back feet, bring the knee back up, repeat it few times. Now keep the back leg up, hold it here. Now take your opposite arm and reach into your bird dog position, holding navel into the spine. And then bend the back knee, grab the back ankle and begin to pull the heel towards the glutes here. Then see if you can lift and arch the back, holding the heel up to the sky. Now exhale, let go, extend your leg and arms out, release the arms and leg. Now lift the knee in towards the chest, then step back into downward facing dog. Take deep breaths here. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Take your left leg up, keep your hips square and just pump the leg up to the sky. Just tiny pumps. Then bend your knee. Stack your hips into the three-legged dog. Just hold it here. Steady breathing. Now exhale. Lift your left leg towards your chest into the plank position. Tap it and lift it few times. Lift the back leg up. Repeat this alternate movement few times. Here we are strengthening the muscles and engaging the core. Then come into the bird dog position, hold it for a few seconds, then pull the back heel towards the glutes and then lifting the heel up to the sky, taking the dancer pose variation. Lift up the heel as much as possible, then release. Reach your opposite arm forward, leg down. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take few breaths here. Then come to the comfortable seated position, letting go of any tension. Let your body relax on your mat. Just breathe in and let it go. Relax your body, relax your mind. Feel that good vibrations that comes from the practice. Be aware of your feeling of the body. Be aware of your breaths. Be aware of your emotions and just relax. Thank you so much everyone for tuning in. Namaste.